Hello, everyone. I'm Arif Gilany. Welcome to this live recording. I wanted to share with you how to use this meeting room. So I'm going to share my screen and go ahead and show you how to use this incredible system we have created for the Blue Zones. So on the right-hand side, once in this room, you can get this code called bluezonesforbiz.com meeting.com/bluezone4biz. You enter 1350, you come here. So when you come here, if you wanted to record a session, for example, you would go to menu and you would say events and recordings. And here are all of the recordings that you do. Now, if you wanted to start a recording, what I did was I went there and I clicked on it. It will give you the name of the recording. So the name of this recording is how to use bluezones4business.com. The system is meeting first. You come here, you meet the movers, the shakers, the opportunities, and everything that is possible. And then if you have already signed up for My World, here's is My World. I go here and like on it. See this, My World is here. All of the concepts are here once you sign up with Lyconet. So if I go to my network, now I should see people who have registered so far in my network. Now, oh, no, that wasn't my network. Here is the network. Oh, yes, here's the network. As you can see, I'm right here. My friend Victor Patalano is here. My wife's here. My sister's here. Everybody's here because everybody's a shopper. And what happens is you get customers and you also get marketers. These are the marketers. Now, the customers are here, and there's few people already signed up as customers, but we are looking mainly for marketers. So if I have sent you the customer link, that comes afterward, but you could do either way. But we have partners. If you want to know who are our partners, you can just go to the list of all of the partners and see who's signing up on daily basis. Places like SO are like Shoppers Drug Mart that you purchase. You can get back the part of your purchases back. And if you travel, this is just for you. Now I'm going back to meetings here. I'm here sharing with you. I also have a really exciting news for some of you who are in health and wellness, the 4 pillars of the Blue Zones. I have a special offer for you. I have a unique offer that will make you at least $50,000 before Christmas, and that is here. You go to camelcare.ca, and if I refresh this, right, there should be a drop-down menu, which is here. Summer promotion, 6 pairs of Camel Care socks for just $100. And what this will do, you will enter Blue Zone 4 Biz into the promo code. It will give you a discount. Once you like these socks, then I will introduce you to the opportunity in 2 sessions, not just my opportunity, but multiple opportunities that have come up right now. 1, My World is global. It's in 50 countries. 2, Camel Care is global and it's in 100 countries based on your MOQ, minimum order quantity. Again, I have a special promotion right now for those of you who have never heard about camels, never heard about camel fur, never know how good it is for your health. It's summertime. I'm paying attention to the people who wear slippers. I can tell you clearly 30 to 40% of people have cracked skin under their foot, the most neglected part of the body. That's why no wonder all kidneys, internal problems are showing up, because your feet are connected to the nervous system that ends at the bottom of your feet. So make sure you go and purchase these Camel products. You will never find a better price than this right now. It's our summer sale. You can get 6 pairs, as I mentioned, for $100 of premium quality camel cashmere socks. Once you like them, you like to share them, you come back to the meetings, we'll tell you the details of how you can make $50,000. But in the meanwhile, those of you who are shop in other companies of my world, we have travel incentives, we have local incentives. There's a lot to be done for you. You need to be a marketer and you need to be a shopper in my world, because it's like an Alibaba, it's like an Amazon, where you shop and you get back a cashback bonus right away. I'm Arif Gilany. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you Wednesdays, hump day, 12 noon to 1, Saturdays, 9:15 to 11 for the Super Saturday. Make sure that you sign up for one of the courses, one of the platforms, one of the places to stay in touch. They say that a rising sea raises all the ships. It's time to raise your ship. Join us.